In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a Fig file into Figma. This might seem like a daunting task at first, but don't worry, I'll guide you through each step to ensure the process is as smooth as possible. So grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's get started. First, if you're uploading a file directly to your personal project in Figma, the process is straightforward. Begin by opening your Figma draft. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of your screen and you'll see an option labeled Import. Go ahead and click on that, then select Import from Computer. This allows you to browse your local files for the specific Fig file you want to bring into Figma. Once you've found the file, select it and click Open. Now here's where a bit of patience comes into play. Sometimes, depending on the size and complexity of the file, it might take a little while to load into the Figma workspace. So if it seems like it's taking a moment, just give it a bit of time. Moving on to importing files into a team project, the steps are quite similar. Head over to your team project in Figma. Once you're in, click on Create to start the process. Then, just like before, click Import, followed by Import from Computer. Navigate to the Fig file you wish to import, click Open, and again, let the program do its thing. This loading time is standard as Figma processes the files, so don't worry if it takes a little longer to appear in your workspace. And there you have it. That's essentially how you import a Fig file into Figma. With just a few clicks, you're able to seamlessly bring your design files into your current projects, whether they're personal or team-based. Remember, the key here is patience, especially as large files are being processed. This can make your workflow more efficient, allowing you to focus more on the creative aspects of your design work. If you found this video helpful, please do us a favor by clicking the like button. We'd also love to hear your thoughts or any questions you might have, so feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know whenever we release new content. Thanks for watching and happy designing.